Welcome to watch the unboxing video of Newdermo LED Light Therapy Mask. Open the outer box and the inside is a flat Newdermo LED Light Therapy Mask. Lift the mask fixing box. Take out the built-in charging cable and mask. Instruction manual and charging line. Toe strap. Remote control and lanyard. One face shield. One remote control and lanyard. One charging cable. Toe strap. One manual. Open the straps, pass it through the attachment and stick it. After the two sides are firmly attached, lift the mask. Fit the mask to the face. Stick the straps. Connect the remote control to the cable. After the installation is complete, select the corresponding function to use. Welcome to the next episode of Efficacy Introduction.